Welcome back. The show is called Brand Equity and I'm Sonali Krishna. Now, India's been on a roll. I'm talking about the recent spate of scams this country has witnessed. You barely come to grips with one and the next one just comes firing in, wasting absolutely no time. So we decided to launch a special initiative on the eve of our 64th Independence Day. Brand Equity got a bit adventurous and invited 3 agencies and asked them to use their ingenuity and create campaigns that is a message from the common man or the Aam Aadmi to the government of India and our very distinguished politicians. So, Leo Burnett, Saatchi & Saatchi and Mudra put on their creative hats and strut their stuff right here on Brand Equity. Now, watch closely and tell us which of the 3 campaigns you would rate as most effective. Don't forget, the campaign has been commissioned by the people of India and the TG or the target group is our very respected politicians and the government. Write into us at brandequity@etnow.tv with your thoughts and, more importantly, your vote on the most effective campaign. You can do the same on our Facebook page as well. Let the show begin.
Education, unemployment, black money, inflation.
So, भाई राम भरोसे. Corruption is there, then rape is happening in this country. Bomb blasts are there. Black money Swiss account.
Very cumbersome judiciary system. What rules? Vote for cash, cash for vote.
So what will this Ram Bharose do? There are 2 ways of executing it. One is that what we have written is dialogue based. Other way is ki you do song, folklore, like one Ram Bharose bit you were saying. Mera Ram Bharose, मेरा राम भरोसे गड्ढे भर दे रेप नहीं हो यहाँ पे. हमने अपने काम को भी राम भरोसे छोड़ दिया है. So that is what sums up the basic idea which we are working on. If you look at the condition of the country, you know, the way there are a number of scams which are happening in the country, nothing is happening about it, or you are made to believe that something is happening about it, but deep within you know that nothing is going to happen. Look at the quality of living which people are having to cope up with. We had in fact a lot of ideas. We kind of evaluated all the ideas and we thought in the end that maybe a satire would be the best way of expressing our point of view to the government.
इंडिया को डेवलप एक ही आदमी कर सकता है, राम भरोसे.
राम भरोसे चाहे ना तो मून के गड्ढे भर दे, ये तो इंडिया है.
अरे राम भरोसे चाहे ना तो विदेशी ताकतों का हाथ मरोड़ के फ्रैक्चर कर दे.
राम भरोसे चाहे तो रेप करने वालों का रेप कर दे.
राम भरोसे चाहे ना तो एक टिकली बम ना फूटे किसी पब्लिक प्लेस में. मैं बता रहा हूँ, सबकी माँ की.
Deleting poverty in education,
स्कैम, पोल्यूशन, पॉवर्टी,
sophistication, and all the cation.
Only he can save India.
राम भरोसे is so cool man.
वो हमारा हीरो है.
राम भरोसे, you're the dude man.
राम भरोसे, you the rocks.
सरकार को काहे को कोसते हो जब देश में सब कुछ है राम भरोसे.
राम भरोसे.